Hola clase, today I'll be teaching you how to change ER verbs, OIR, and DAR to the preterite form. Let's start with the ER verbs, and I'm going to use the verb comer, which is to eat. So, comer. So let's start with the yo form. It's going to be com-e. You're going to add an I and put an accent mark at the top. For the to, which is you, it's going to be com-iste. And for this part, there is no accent mark at the top of the I at all. And L, ella, usted. It's going to be comio, with an accent mark over the O. Now, for nosotros, which is we, it's going to be comimos. Again, no accent mark. And we don't have to know about vosotros, so I'm not going to teach you that today. Now for ellos, ellas, ustedes, it's going to be com y eron. And again, no accent mark. Now let's move to the OIR verbs. Now that, there's going to be a little bit of difficulty learning that because there's one quick thing that is a little bit more difficult. But for the most part, it's not that hard. And OIR means to hear. Now in the yo form, it's going to be oi with an accent mark over the I. And the to, which is you, it's going to be oi iste. And now the thing with this, there's going to be an accent mark over the I over all of them. Now here's the trick. El, ella, usted. It's going to be oi, yo. Now instead of an I, you're going to add a Y and put an accent mark over the O. Now for nosotros, it's going to be oi, imos, accent mark over the I. Don't need to know vosotros, but for ellos, ellas, ustedes, it's going to be oi, eron, with a Y instead of an I. Now let's move to the last verb we're going to learn today, which is dar. And dar means to give. So in the yo form, it's going to be D. In the to form, which is you, it's going to be diste. For L, ella, usted, it's going to be dio, with an accent mark over the O. For nosotros, it's going to be dimos. Again, don't need to know vosotros, but for ellos, ellas, ustedes, it's going to be dieron. Now you might notice that there's no accent mark over the I in any of these except for the dio, and that's how it is made. Now, that's all we got time for today. Thank you for listening.